Hi, good morning, all of you. This is Kunal Shah, co-founder at FUZO. Welcome all of you to FUZO 10 with yet another interesting session, yet another interesting product. Well, all of us carry water bottle. All of us have a water bottle, whether it's a school, a workplace, or at home. We all use water bottles. But do we remember to drink water? We definitely don't remember to drink water. Maximum of us over here forget to drink water. Even if the water bottle is on your desk, we actually don't remember to drink water. Well, you start your day, maybe at 11 a.m. You are onto your office, you're onto your work, and by the time you actually see your watch, it's already 4 p.m. You've barely had any water until then. Well, hydration is not difficult, but consistency is. So, all it takes is just a little nudge, and that's the reason FUZO has introduced this product called FUZO Nudge. FUZO Nudge is a borosilicate glass bottle that comes in two colors, and it is basically comes in a capacity of 1 liter, and it comes with a nice silicone sleeve around it. Well, I'll take you through the product details very soon. In the meantime, I'll just take you through the packaging of the bottle. So this is the box. Has all the important details of the product on the box itself. It comes in two colors. So this basically comes in a bubble wrap. So guys, we are talking about the bottle FUZO Nudge. This comes in two colors, which is green and grey, and can be customized to a good level also. I will come back to the customization. In the meantime, first let me actually take you through the demonstration of the bottle completely. So this comes in a borosilicate glass bottle. This is basically a borosilicate glass bottle. Its capacity is 1 liter. It comes with a silicone sleeve around it, which is again, which gives a good protection to the bottle. You can grip the bottle quite well. It helps you handle the bottle quite well. The lid comes with a nice handle. The lid is spill proof, leak proof. Actually they filled a bottle just to show you a demonstration. This does not spill or leak. Okay, so most importantly, this comes with your hydration markings. These are the hydration markings. These markings actually help us, or rather remind us, to drink water consistently throughout the day. These are very interesting little things that we've put on the bottle, that we've printed on the bottle, which makes it very interesting to use. So coming back to the material of the bottle, borosilicate glass is known for its strength. It's known for its clarity, and it's basically very looks very classy and aesthetically looks very nice. And you will actually feel like using it. One more thing, important thing, it comes with a wide mouth, which makes it very comfortable to drink. So we've actually covered all the features of the product. Now, where is this product that it can be gifted to? It could be gifted to gym goers, office goers, to students, someone who is in the corporate world, someone who is in the office, going to the office, everyone can use the bottle because it's very, very comfortable to use. Since it comes with a sleeve, it becomes all the more comfortable, and can be gifted to all your business, can be gifted to all your business partners. Like, say for example, if we are giving it to our dealers, distributors, whether you're giving it to doctors, architects, it's a great product as a gift. I would love to receive this as a gift. Well, some important USPs of the bottle is basically it gives you that hydration awareness. It gives you that visual reminder to drink water consistently. It builds healthier habits for you to drink water consistently. Basically, this is just a reminder. Now, on a daily basis, if you use this product, it actually is building a habit of drinking water, which is a very, very healthy habit and which is very, very important for our body. So that's why we call it hydration reminder bottle. And this is a product which gives you the utility, which gives you the wellness, and it has a good impact on your health. Well, that's the reason we say choose FUZO Nudge. Hydrate smarter, stay consistent, stay FUZO. So we end this session before we end the session, actually, I would like to show you one product that we did for a client, and this was basically a customized bottle for the client. It was completely customized from their point of view. The color, the branding that they wanted, everything was completely customized for them. So I just want to say this to you by showing you this, that the bottle can be customized end to end, and it looks amazing. Customization comes out really well on the bottle. Well, coming to the end of the session, I would just like to say that this bottle is available across India with all our channel partners and with all our distributors. You can always reach out to them and get yours soon. So if you have any questions regarding the bottle, you can always reach out to us. We will definitely get back with all the answers like we've always been doing. Thank you so much for joining us. We will come back to you next week on next Wednesday, once again at the same time, with another interesting product. Thank you so much.